How to recover deleted posts, videos, or photos on Facebook. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Tap on this menu icon at the top right. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, and then head over to Settings. Scroll all the way down and inside your information, you'll find the option of Download your information. Head over to it. Now tap on Request a download. Tap on Select Types of Information. It will land you on this interface. Right here, you simply need to select on Post. Post will include all of your photos and the videos. And then tap on Next. In this page, you can select the format, media quality, and the date range for your datas. Once you have adjusted those settings, tap on Submit Request at the bottom. Wait for a while. Well, the request has been successfully sent to the Facebook. Now within 24 hours, the Facebook will send you the mail on your email address. It will include all the posts, videos, and the photos. You simply need to download the file before 4 days and have the access to it, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.